Are we ready for Google's AI takeover? A question that we all need to ponder upon. Artificial intelligence, AI, is not a concept of the future. It's a reality we're living in right now. It's an invisible force that is rapidly evolving, shaping our lives, our decisions, and our relationship with technology. It's like a new dawn, bringing a fresh perspective on how we interact with the digital world. Now let's talk about the tech giant that's leading this AI revolution. None other than Google. Google isn't just a search engine anymore, it's a pioneer in the world of AI, pushing the boundaries of what's possible. Think about DeepMind, Google's artificial intelligence research lab. It's a playground for AI enthusiasts, where they're creating self-learning systems that can outsmart humans at complex games like Go and chess. They're not just playing games, they're developing AI that can learn, think, and strategize, just like a human brain. Then there's TensorFlow, Google's open-source AI library. It's a toolbox for machine learning, where developers from all around the world can contribute, learn, and grow. It's not just about Google's growth, it's about growing the global AI community. And who can forget Google Assistant? It's more than just an app on your phone. It's a personal assistant that's always ready to help, always learning, always adapting. It's the epitome of how AI is becoming a part of our everyday lives. These are just a few glimpses of Google's AI endeavors. The tech giant is tirelessly working to make AI more accessible, more reliable, and more human-like. It's not just about creating smart machines. It's about enhancing human capabilities, making our lives easier, and opening up a world of possibilities. As we stand on the brink of a technological revolution, the question is not if, but when Google's AI will take over. It's a new dawn, a new era, and whether we're ready or not, the AI revolution is here to stay. So let's buckle up and prepare for a journey into the fascinating world of AI. Google's AI is not just another technological advancement, it's a game changer. Imagine a world where artificial intelligence, AI, is so advanced it can predict diseases before they strike. This isn't a plot from a science fiction movie, but the reality of Google's DeepMind health project. By analyzing medical records, this AI can predict and prevent diseases, potentially saving millions of lives each year. Now let's switch gears and think about your daily commute. Wouldn't it be great if you could sit back, relax, and let your car do the driving? Google's Waymo is making this a reality. Using AI, Waymo has developed self-driving cars that are not only safer but also more efficient than human drivers. The impact of AI in transportation is truly transformative, from reducing traffic accidents to optimizing traffic flow in our cities. And what about entertainment? Have you ever wondered how YouTube knows exactly what video to recommend next? That's Google's AI at work again. Through machine learning and pattern recognition, Google's AI understands your preferences better than you do. It can predict what you'll want to watch next, creating a personalized entertainment experience. But it doesn't stop there. Google's AI is changing the face of industries we haven't even thought of yet. Have you ever tried Google Translate? It's not perfect, but the fact that an AI can understand and translate between over 100 languages is nothing short of remarkable. This technology is breaking down language barriers and opening up communication on a global scale. The influence of Google's AI is also seen in the realm of data analysis. It's helping businesses understand their customers better, drive efficiencies, and ultimately increase profits. It's even playing a role in tackling climate change by optimizing energy usage in data centers. The impact is real and it's happening now. But are we ready to embrace it? As we move forward, we must ask ourselves, how will we adapt to a world increasingly shaped by AI? Will we be able to keep up with the rapid pace of change, or will we be left behind? The game has changed and the ball is in our court. As with any revolution, Google's AI takeover comes with its share of implications. The advent of Google's artificial intelligence is akin to opening Pandora's box, releasing a flurry of potential outcomes that could shape our future. Think about it, with Google's AI, the world could see a surge in efficiency. Mundane tasks can be automated, freeing up human time and effort for more complex and creative pursuits. For businesses, this could translate into higher productivity and reduced costs. For individuals, it could mean more time to focus on personal growth and enjoyment. It's like having a personal assistant at your fingertips, ready to take on any task you throw its way. But there's more. Google's AI could also open up a world of new opportunities. It could revolutionize sectors such as healthcare, where AI could assist in diagnosing diseases, predicting health risks, and personalizing patient care. The education sector could be transformed with personalized learning experiences tailored to each student's needs. The possibilities are endless. However, as the saying goes, every rose has its thorns. While Google's AI promises a world of benefits, it also brings with it a slew of concerns. One of the most pressing is job displacement. As tasks become automated, certain jobs might become obsolete, leading to unemployment and social instability. Another concern is privacy. In an age where data is the new oil, how much of our personal information are we willing to share with AI? How can we ensure that our data is safe and used responsibly? These are questions we must grapple with as we move further into the era of AI. The implications of Google's AI are like a double-edged sword. On one hand, it promises a future of improved efficiency and endless opportunities. On the other, it brings with it potential challenges that we must be prepared to face. So, as we stand on the brink of this AI revolution, we must ask ourselves, are we ready to handle the implications? The implications are vast and varied. The question remains, are we prepared for them? Google's AI takeover isn't just a technological issue, it's an ethical dilemma. From its inception, artificial intelligence has presented us with a Pandora's box of ethical questions. As Google's AI continues to evolve, these questions grow in complexity, demanding our attention more than ever before. Firstly, we grapple with the issue of bias. AI, in essence, learns from data. But what if the data it's learning from is biased? If an AI is fed biased data, it will inevitably reflect that bias in its decision-making. For instance, if an AI is trained on a dataset where a certain group is underrepresented, it may inadvertently perpetuate discrimination against that group. Google's AI, with its vast reach, could potentially amplify such biases on a global scale. Secondly, we face the question of responsibility. When an AI makes a mistake, who is held accountable? If an AI-powered self-driving car causes an accident, who bears the blame? The car's manufacturer, the software developer, or the AI itself? These are not simple questions, and as of now, there are no definitive answers. Additionally, there's the issue of privacy. As Google's AI becomes more integrated into our lives, it gathers more data about us. But who owns this data? How should it be used, and who should have access to it? These questions straddle the line between technology and ethics, revealing the necessity for a robust ethical framework around AI. Lastly, AI's potential to replace jobs presents an ethical conundrum. While increased automation could lead to unprecedented productivity, it could also result in job displacement on a massive scale. Balancing the benefits of AI with its potential societal impact is a delicate task, and one that we must tackle with urgency. We must confront these ethical challenges head-on if we are to navigate the AI revolution. It's clear that Google's AI takeover isn't just about technological advancement. It's about defining our ethical boundaries in an increasingly AI-driven world. As we stand on the precipice of this new era, we must ensure that our ethical compass guides us through it. So, how do we prepare for Google's AI takeover? That's the question on everyone's minds. Let's delve into some possible ways we can ready ourselves for this impending revolution. Firstly, education is paramount. It's crucial to understand the fundamental aspects of artificial intelligence. We need to familiarize ourselves with the basic principles, the underlying technology, and the potential impacts. This isn't about becoming experts overnight, but rather about gaining a working knowledge. Just as we've adapted to the digital age, we can adapt to the age of AI. Moreover, we need to advocate for ethical AI practices. This means pushing for transparency in how AI systems work and the decisions they make. It's about demanding accountability from companies like Google, ensuring they use AI responsibly. We should strive for a future where AI serves humanity, not the other way around. In addition, we must be ready to adapt to new AI-driven industries. Job markets are bound to change, and we need to be prepared for that. This could mean upskilling, reskilling, or even changing our career paths altogether. But remember, every industrial revolution in history has created more jobs than it has destroyed. The AI revolution will be no different. Finally, we need to embrace the change. AI is not something to be feared, but rather something to be understood and harnessed. It has the potential to vastly improve our lives, if we let it. It's about being open to the possibilities, ready to learn, and willing to adapt. In summary, preparing for the AI takeover involves educating ourselves about AI, advocating for ethical AI practices, adapting to new industries, and embracing the change. It's a multifaceted approach that requires us to be proactive and engaged. Preparation is key, but again, are we ready? We'll continue to explore that question as we delve into the future of AI in the next scene. Stay tuned. What does the future hold for Google's AI? A question that invites a journey into the realm of possibilities, a world where technology and human intelligence intertwine in ways we can only begin to imagine. As we look ahead, we can see a future where AI is not just a part of our lives, but embedded into the very fabric of our existence. We're talking about AI algorithms that are more advanced than ever, capable of learning and evolving at an unprecedented rate. Imagine a world where your refrigerator can predict your food preferences, your car can predict your destination, and your home can predict your comfort needs. This is the future Google's AI is shaping, but it doesn't stop there. Google's AI is also set to redefine the way we work, the way we learn, the way we play. From AI-driven healthcare systems that can diagnose diseases with pinpoint accuracy, to AI-powered education platforms that can tailor learning to individual needs, the possibilities are endless. And Google, with its vast resources and pioneering spirit, is poised to lead us into this brave new world. Yet, as with any technological revolution, there are challenges to be faced. Ensuring the ethical use of AI, protecting against potential misuse, and addressing the impact on jobs and society will be critical. But Google is not shying away from these challenges. Instead, it's stepping up, investing in AI ethics research, and working towards solutions that balance innovation with responsibility. So what does the future hold for Google's AI? A world where technology serves us in ways we never thought possible. A world where AI is not just a tool, but a partner in our lives. A world where Google's AI shapes not just our technology, but our society and our humanity. The future is exciting, yet uncertain. And the question we must all ask ourselves is, are we ready for Google's AI takeover? As we come to the end of our journey, it's time to revisit our initial question. We've traversed a landscape of thrilling progress, potential implications, and ethical quandaries. Now let's tie it all together and see where we stand. Our journey began at the dawn of AI, a time when the concept of artificial intelligence was still in its infancy. We saw how Google, a company that started in a garage, transformed into a tech titan that's now leading the charge in AI development. From the groundbreaking DeepMind to the accessible Google Assistant, Google's AI has shifted from a fascinating concept to a tangible reality. Next, we delved into the game-changing potential of Google's AI. We saw how it's transforming industries from healthcare to transportation and even the way we interact with our devices. AI has the potential to revolutionize our world, and Google is at the forefront of this change. We then explored the potential implications of this AI takeover. Yes, the promise of AI is exciting, but it's not without its challenges. Job displacement, privacy concerns, and the potential for AI misuse are all issues we must grapple with. As AI becomes more integrated into our lives, these concerns will only become more pronounced. From there, we dove into the ethical dilemmas posed by AI. Who's responsible when AI goes wrong? How do we ensure AI is developed and used ethically? These are questions we must answer as a society, and they're questions that Google, as a leader in AI, must help answer. We also discussed the importance of preparation. As Google's AI continues to advance, we must ensure that we're ready to adapt. This means equipping ourselves with the knowledge and skills needed to thrive in an AI-driven world, and ensuring that our institutions are prepared to handle the changes AI will bring. Finally, we look to the future. AI is here to stay, and its influence will only grow. Google's AI is set to play a significant role in shaping this future. As we move forward, it's important to remember that this isn't just Google's journey, it's ours as well. We must be active participants, shaping the AI landscape to ensure it benefits us all. Are we ready for Google's AI takeover? The answer lies within each of us. It's a question we must all answer as we step into the future. Are we prepared to harness the power of AI for the betterment of our world? Are we ready to face the challenges it brings? The answer will determine the trajectory of our future, a future that's intertwined with the evolution of AI. The journey may be uncertain, but one thing is clear: we're on the brink of a new era, and it's up to us to decide how we navigate it.